How can I stop villagers from disappearing in Minecraft?
Hey there, Minecraft players! Welcome back to another helpful video. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many players encounter: villagers mysteriously disappearing. It can be frustrating to invest time and effort into building a village, only to have the villagers vanish into thin air. But worry not. I'm here to guide you through some practical steps to prevent villagers from disappearing. Let's get started.
Creating a secure village.
The first step to stopping villagers from disappearing is to create a secure village. This means taking measures to protect your villagers from various threats. Build a perimeter fence or walls around your village to keep hostile mobs out. Use sturdy blocks like cobblestone or iron bars, and make sure there are no gaps where enemies can enter. Additionally, place sufficient lighting throughout the village to deter mobs from spawning.
Properly lighting the village.
Villagers are particularly vulnerable during the night when hostile mobs roam freely. Light up the entire village by strategically placing torches or other light sources. Ensure that there are no dark corners or areas where mobs can spawn. Remember, a well-lit village is a safer village.
Providing sufficient beds and workstations.
Villagers require beds and workstations to feel secure and maintain their professions. Make sure you have an ample supply of beds for each villager, allowing them to rest during the night. Additionally, provide appropriate workstations for villagers with specific professions, such as lecterns for librarians or brewing stands for clerics. This ensures that they have a sense of purpose and reduces the chances of them wandering off.
Nurturing villagers with food.
Villagers need to eat to stay healthy and content. Provide a reliable food source for your villagers, such as a farm with crops like wheat, carrots, or potatoes. Ensure that the farm is well maintained and has a sufficient supply of water nearby. Villagers will be less likely to wander away in search of food if their needs are met within the village.
Keeping villagers safe during raids.
Raid events can be a real threat to your villagers, often leading to casualties and disappearances. Prepare for raids by setting up defensive measures, such as building walls or establishing an iron golem army to protect the village. Stay vigilant during raid events and actively engage in combat to safeguard your villagers from harm.
Utilizing name tags in trading.
For extra assurance, you can use name tags to permanently name your villagers. This prevents them from despawning or being replaced by new randomly generated villagers. Additionally, engage in regular trading with the villagers. This creates a bond and increases their willingness to stay within the village rather than wandering off. And there you have it, Minecraft players. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the chances of your villagers disappearing. Remember to create a secure village, provide ample lighting, and meet the needs of your villagers through beds, workstations, and food. Be prepared for raids and consider using name tags to protect your villagers from despawning. With these strategies in place, you can ensure a thriving and stable village in Minecraft. Happy building and exploring!